Welcome to the channel Maths for Graduates. Today we will learn what is ordinary differential equation and what is partial differential equation, and we will also see the basic difference between them. Okay. So let's see. So before we get into the definition of ODE and PDE, let us first know what is independent variable and dependent variable. So independent variable is the variable to which values assigned is called independent variable, and dependent variable is the variable whose value is to be obtained is called dependent variable. To learn this definition better, let's see some examples. Suppose we have some function as y equals to x square plus x. Okay. So here in this equation, when we plug in the value of x, we get the value of y. So x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Let's see one more example. Suppose we have some function z equals to x square plus y square. Okay. So here we can see when we plug in the value of x and y, we get the value of z. So z is dependent variable, z depends on x and y. So z is dependent variable and x and y are independent variable. All the preparations are done now. Now let's see main topic of today's discussion: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. There are two types of differential equation: ordinary differential equation ODE and partial differential equation PDE. Okay. So in ODE we have only one independent variable, while in PDE we have more than one independent variable. Then further branches into two categories when there is only one dependent variable in differential equation. See an example. Suppose if we have differential equation dy over dx, this equals to some function of x and y. Okay. So here in this differential equation we have one independent variable, that is x, and we have one dependent variable, that is y. Okay. And in second category we have more than one dependent variable. See such an example. Suppose if we have dx over dt, this equals to 3x plus 2y, and dy over dt, this equals to x plus 2y. Okay. Here in this differential equation, t is an independent variable and x and y are dependent variable. X and y depends on t. So here we have more than one dependent variable. So in second category we get system of ODE. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how PD is categorized. Okay. In the same manner PD is also categorized. So first category is when we have one dependent variable. Example is, okay, here x and y are independent variable and z is dependent variable. So this is an example of PDE, partial differential equation, in which we have more than one independent variable and one dependent variable. And in the second category we have more than one dependent variable. So in second category we have more than one dependent variable. So in this category we will see example in higher classes. You will see in this your research work or maybe you will also find in MSc, but mostly you will see in your PhDs. Okay, so this video ends here. If you have found something informative in this video, please show your support by subscribing channel and also share this video, and thanks for watching.